Greetings and welcome to this video demonstration of the 9 web-based live machine monitoring dashboards that are available in the eNET HTTP Advanced Machine Monitoring software. These real-time machine monitoring dashboards are often displayed on large screens right out on the shop floor, but they can also be displayed on desktop computers, tablets, or even smartphones. To access our web-based monitoring dashboards, I just need to open a web browser and go to the eNET landing page. I set up the 9 different monitoring dashboards to rotate in a carousel for our review. Now, I'll enter my username and click Login. The first dashboard is called the Detailed Dashboard, and as you can see, these dashboards can be customized with a company logo and/or a company or department name. The first column displays the machine name and current shift. Then, the current status of the machine, part number, and the operator that's logged in on the machine. Next, we have the machine's OEE, or just a machine utilization efficiency percentage instead, as some customers prefer not to report scrap in real time, but instead report their scrap at the end of the job. The next column is the cycle count from the machine. Then your last cycle info, where you're at on the current cycle, and the elapsed time since the start of the machine's current status. The next dashboard is called the Detailed Graph Dashboard. It has the same monitoring data as the detailed dashboard displayed in the first several columns, combined with shift performance metrics. Here's the shift goal and achievable. The shift goal is calculated by what your cycle time is and what your production hours for that particular shift are. And it will display how many parts you could possibly make in a perfect scenario, minus your lunch and break times. The achievable shows how many parts you could actually make by the end of the shift if your cycle times stay the same for the rest of the shift. This red bar shows how far along you are into the current shift. The next columns show your first, second, and third shift performance metrics. If a machine is performing within the acceptable OEE parameters, the color remains green. If not, then the display will turn either yellow or orange to catch someone's attention. The last column is a simple graph display, which shows my current status in the center circle and a summary of the machine utilization for the whole shift in the outside circle. The next monitoring dashboard is the Timeline Dashboard. A utilization timeline is displayed for each machine that I've set up in the eNET monitoring software, with all the same performance metrics as the detailed dashboard staged above each machine's timeline. Along the top of this dashboard, you'll notice a key for all of the relevant machine statuses and their corresponding color code. The next monitoring dashboard is the Detailed Timeline Dashboard, and as you can see, it presents a mixture of the data displayed in the 3 previously discussed dashboards. Next is the Shop Floor Dashboard. A layout of a shop or of just a particular cell in a shop can be superimposed, and the machines can be placed on the screen to match where they are physically located on the shop floor. The machine monitoring data is displayed simply within 2 circles, with the interior circle showing the current machine status and the outside circle showing the summary of the machine utilization for the whole current shift. Next, we have the eNET Utilization Dashboard. The first 4 columns show the machine name, the current status, part number, and the piece count. The last column has a live machine utilization timeline for the current shift. The next dashboard, called the eNET Analytics Dashboard, is totally customizable by the customer. You can choose to display OEE and/or machine utilization data in a speedometer view, a card view, and/or a detailed card view. The data can be displayed for a particular machine, a particular date, or even a combined group of machines. Next is the Department Dashboard, which can be set up for any department including QC, maintenance, or the toolroom department. The goal of the department dashboards is to improve shop floor communications between different departments in order to reduce machine downtime created by waiting for inspections, machine maintenance, or even tooling. Finally, we have the Shift Start dashboard, which provides visibility into the production readiness of your machines at the beginning of each new shift. For more info about eNET or to schedule a live demo for your team, please call our office at 414-817-7070 or visit www.enetdnc.com. Thank you.